Hi, Assalamualaikum. I will talk about my project from subject DCC33082 Industrialist Building System IBS. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Syamina Imam Amin with number battery 17KA20F1005. The definition of IBS is industrialization process is an investment in equipment, facilities and technology with the objective of maximizing production output, minimizing labor resource and improving quality, while a building system is defined as a set of interconnected elements that join together to enable the designated performance of a building. Next, the classification of IBS. First, precast concrete framing, panel and box system. Second, steel formwork system. Third, steel framing system. And fourth, fabricated timber framing system. And last, block work system. Next, advantage of industrialist building system IBS is reduction of unskilled workers and reduce wastage. Next, increase in quality. Fourth, safer working environment in construction site. And last, reduce construction period. The title of construction is Rumah Sejahtera. Construction method that I use is Industrialist Building System IBS. Next, I will explain about my floor plan. My floor plan for the length 120 modulus and the weight is 150 modular. My plan have a living room, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, master bedroom, dinner, store, kitchen, and have a swimming pool and porch. Size slab that I use is 10 modular times 12 modulus. And the slab unit that I use is 25 pieces. The size of wall that I use is 1 modular times 60 modular. For door set and window set, I use double door, single door and window two size. For double door, I use 21 modular times 50 modular. For single door, I use 21 modular times 75 modular. For the window, window 1, I use 70 modular times 30 modular. For the window of toilet, I use 4.5 modular times 0.5 modular. For IBS score for part 1, element structure for part 1 is precast beams plus in situ column with reusable formwork plus precast concrete half slab floor. For then the area is 180 and 2. Precast beam plus in situ column with reusable formwork no floor. The area is 118 and 2. Next, roof truss using prefab roof truss. The area is 118 and 2. So the total part 1 for area is 540 and 2. So IBS score for precast beam plus in situ column with reusable formwork plus precast concrete half slab floor is 0.9. For precast beams plus in situ column with reusable formwork no floor, IBS factor is 0.6. For IBS factor for roof truss using prefab roof truss is 1.0. So the coverage for the element 1 have to the total of area divided by the area the structure elements. So precast beam plus in situ column with reusable formwork plus precast concrete half slab floor is 180 divided 540, total 0.33. For precast beam plus in situ column with reusable formwork is 0.33. For coverage roof truss using prefab roof truss is 0.33. So the total is 1. For IBS core, area for each element have to times with IBS factor times coverage. So the total for the element 1 is 41.3. Next, the part 2, wall system. For the wall system have two types: external wall using concrete block work and internal wall using precast concrete panel. For external wall using concrete block work, the area is 50.85 m2. For internal wall using precast concrete panel is 63.5 m. So the total for the area wall system is 114.25 m. For the IBS factor for external wall is 0.5. IBS factor for internal wall is 1. Then the coverage for external wall is 0.45. The internal wall is 0.55. So the total is 1. IBS factor for external wall is 4.5. For internal wall is 11. So the total is 15 for 15.5. So the part 3 other simplified construction solution. So for first, 100 beam size polo MS 1064 by 10 2001 is 100%. So I took the IBS score is 4. Next, the column size polo MS 1064 by 10 2001 I took 4. The slab size I took 4. The slab size is 4. The door size floor is 4, and window size polo is 4. So the horizontal repetition of structure floor layout is 6. So the total part 3 is 13. So the total of the IBS score is 186.8. So that's all from me. So I want to conclude from this project. From this project, I realized IBS many advantage of a conventional method. IBS shortens the construction period and reduce cost. IBS also to able to improve the quality of development in the building industry in Malaysia. So that's all from me. Bye.